Hello, Abhishek here with another tutorial for beginners. Today's topic is relative layout. But wait, if you don't know how to set up a project or what layouts are in general, check out my video on that. The link is in the description. If you want to learn any specific topic, the timestamps are down there as well. So without any delay, let's begin. Layouts are like a canvas wherein your views and widgets are placed. As the name suggests, the placement of widgets in the layout is relative to each other or the parent view. There is no orientation to worry about, no gravity to deal with, just place the widget with respect to each other to create the layout. So let's create a project, give the title as relative layout, choose the language as Kotlin and wait for it to load. Once loaded, head to the rest directory, then layout and activity_main.xml. By default, it will have constant layout, replace it with relative layout and remove the hello world text view. Once done, your code should look like this. Add a text view, set the dimensions as wrap content and text as name. Any view can be referred in XML or in Java using their IDs. Assign an ID to the name text view by adding an attribute ID and give the value as @+ID/name text view. Note that I gave the plus sign before the ID to create a new ID. Add an edit text with width as match parent and height as wrap content. Give the ID as username edit text. Similarly, add a text view and edit text for password. You can duplicate the code by selecting the code and press Ctrl+D to make a copy. Once the code is copied, update the IDs of the text view and the edit text as password text view and password edit text. Add a button, set the dimensions as wrap content, text as submit and give the ID as submit button. As you can see in the preview, all the views are over each other, unlike linear layout, because of the relative layout. And the default location of the views in the relative layout is start of the layout. Let's move the name text view to the center of the screen. Add the attribute layout_center in parent and set the value as true. See the edit text move to the center of the screen. In relative layout, you can align views to each other, like align the caption of an image to the border of the image. Now, align the name text view to the name edit text. Align top and bottom of the name text view to the edit text using layout_align top and layout_align bottom and give the value as name edit text. You can see the height of the name text view is equal to the height of the name edit text. But the name text view is on the top of the view. To move it to the center of the view, add the gravity and set the value as center_vertical. The name text view and the name edit text are overlapping each other. To move them next to each other, go to the name edit text and add an attribute layout_to_end_of and give the value as ID of name text view. You can give margin to start and end of the edit text using layout_margin start as 10 dp and layout_margin end as 10 dp. Repeat the process for password text view and password edit text. Now you can see the password text view and the edit text are overlapping the name text view. You can fix that by simply adding an attribute layout_below. Now the question is, set the layout_below to which view, password edit text or password text view, or both of them? The answer is simple. The password text view is aligned with respect to the password edit text. So if we move password edit text, then the password text view will move with it. So add layout_below to password edit text with the value as name edit text. Add a margin top as 20 dp to the password edit text. Both password edit text and password text view move. Before moving on, you can align the name edit text to the start and end of the password edit text using layout_align start and layout_align end and give the value as password edit text. Lastly, move the button below the password edit text. For that, set the property layout_below with ID as password edit text. To move it in the center, add layout_center horizontal and set the value as true. Set margin top as 50 dp. This layout looks a bit empty. Add a text view, set the dimensions as wrap content and text as login page. Set the layout_above with value as name edit text. Layout_margin bottom as 100 dp. Move it to the center by layout_center horizontal with value as true and increase the size of the text using text size and set the value as 50 sp. Note that not dp, sp. So a simple login page is created using relative layout. It is very simple to create layouts in Android. You can add different colors, background, font to beautify it, but more on that in the upcoming videos. You can find the link of the source code in the description, and if you have any doubt then leave a comment below. Hope you guys learned something new. Please hit like and subscribe to support me and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Happy coding.